in the comfort of our homes in the Western world, where water is delivered by just turning the tap. It's hard to believe that many people struggle to draw even clean drinking water from a well. Many programs have been set up to give people easy access to reasonable quality water for everyday use. But a lot more has to be done to maintain healthy, safe drinking water just for living. Of all the substances that are necessary to life as we know it on Earth, water is by far the most important. Even though 3/4 of our world is covered by water, only 6% is suitable for drinking. In fact, 1.2 billion people do not have safe drinking water. The development of water filtration devices over the centuries includes many unique systems, and few can claim the device produced healthy drinking water. An Australian invention called the Solar Water Purifier will convert virtually any source of contaminated water into pure, healthy drinking water. This Solar Water Purifier system has no costly filters, no electronics, no moving parts, and uses no chemicals to purify water. Simply, just add sunshine. By using the sun's energy to convert virtually every type of impure water into clean, safe, and healthy drinking water, the Solar Water Purifier is the world's most advanced and efficient solar water purifier. The unit works by receiving impure water to an inlet at the top of a cascading tray. The trickle of water gradually flows down through each chamber to an outlet at the bottom of the unit. As the temperature of the water rises, droplets of water slowly run down the glass to a pure water channel, which transfers the clean water into a clean water container. A single solar water purifier works most effectively facing north in the southern hemisphere and at a specific angle of 12.5 degrees to the horizontal. The quantity of clean water recovered on a clear sunny day is about 6 litres per square metre at 20 degrees centigrade and around 9 litres per square metre at 35 degrees ambient temperature. Solar water purifier units can be connected in arrays of 4 units or 12 units. The array system enables greater quantities of clean water to be produced. For example, a 12-unit array system operating in southern Australia can produce an average 30 to 40 litres of pure water at an ambient temperature of 35 degrees centigrade. At a latitude of 20 degrees on the equator, the output from a 12-unit array may be around 50 to 60 litres at an ambient temperature between 35 and 40 degrees centigrade. Working at this ambient temperature, the water within the solar water purifier is heated to more than 85 degrees centigrade, and this pasteurizing effect partially kills bacteria and pathogens, dramatically reducing the risk of waterborne diseases. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet light, transmitted by the special glass cover, completes the germ-killing process. Water output is purified to a level of 1 to 2 parts per million of totally dissolved solids, which is better than standards recommended by the World Health Organization. Operating solar water purifier systems have produced results with seawater which was initially measured at 35,000 parts per million, and the resultant output pure water was tested at 1 to 2 parts per million. That's a dramatic reduction, far greater than most reverse osmosis water systems. There have been cases where the local water was tested at 7,000 parts per million, and the requirement was to provide water for livestock at less than 3,000 parts per million. This was accomplished by mixing a ratio of 4 litres of solar purified water with 3 litres of local water. For human consumption, the recommendation from health authorities is to add about a cup of salt per 1,000 litres. Because the solar water purifier uses the sun's energy, it is very simple to use. And as it has no moving parts, there's hardly any maintenance. In fact, the cleaning maintenance is an easy procedure and is completed by simply adding a small quantity of citric acid to the input water. Solar water purifier array systems are an economical approach to providing safe, healthy drinking water for human and animal consumption. 12-unit arrays can easily be added to an existing array system with a small addition to the initial plumbing installation. Tank sizes for input water and purified water can be varied to suit the consumption and storage requirements. The advanced technology within the solar water purifier has been developed by Thamesford Proprietary Limited and has been promoted by Rotary International to many developing countries around the world. Thamesford is supporting Rotary's humanitarian program by donating a small portion of profits from the commercial sales of these solar water purifiers. Thamesford's involvement with Rotary in continuing a water humanitarian program has the potential to become one of the greatest contributors towards improving the quality of life for many people all over the world. At the present time, 6,000 people die every day from the lack of safe drinking water and sanitation. A child dies every 2 seconds, every day of the year. As a Rotary International program by the Safe Water Save Lives Committee with RAWCS, Rotary Australia World Community Service, the aim of this project is to establish worldwide processes to enable delivery of the solar water purifier into all developing countries that badly need clean, healthy water to sustain community life and well-being of mankind. The solar water purifier is a cost-effective solution for the delivery of purified, safe, healthy water. Each single unit can produce enough water to sustain a family for a day. The safe, purified water output dramatically reduces the risk of waterborne diseases. Compared to many other water filtration systems, the long-term benefits through no ongoing costs for parts, filters or chemicals makes the use of solar energy the obvious way to go. Just add sunshine.